Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making Seviyan Rabri bowl. The ingredients you will need to make the bowl is 100 grams of vermicelli, 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of butter, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. For the filling, you will need 1 cup of whole milk, half a cup of fruit cocktail, 3 tablespoons of khoya, 2 teaspoons of chopped almonds, and 2 teaspoons of pistachio. On low heat, we're going to add our Seviyan. I'm going to break this up really small and add in our butter. Now I'm adding half of the elaichi powder in. I'm saving the other half for the filling. We're going to allow the Seviyan to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of water to ensure that the Seviyan will be cooked thoroughly. Now I'm going to add the condensed milk and mix well to combine. Once everything is mixed in well together, you're going to turn off the flame. I have cling wrap over a small bowl and we're going to add half of our Seviyan mixture. I'm going to press the Seviyan to make the shape of the bowl. Once you're happy with the shape, these are going to cool in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now we're going to make our Rabri filling. We're going to add the milk into a pan on medium heat. Make sure you stir occasionally to ensure the milk does not stick to the bottom of the pan. I'm now going to add the remaining elaichi powder. The flame is going to be on the lowest setting now, and we're going to start reducing the milk. Now we're going to add the khoya. Make sure you mix everything well, and we're going to cook this for about 2 more minutes. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well together and then you can turn off the flame. Allow the filling to cool for a couple of minutes. Once everything is cooled, we're going to start assembling. Carefully peel off the cling wrap from the Seviyan bowl. Add in your fruit cocktail mixture. Now we're going to add the rabri. Finally, garnish with almond and pistachios. And here you have it, a very simple Seviyan bowl recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you make this at home too and comment how it was. Thanks for watching!